Hello friends, welcome to Machine Learning the Future course. So in the last part, we have seen the theoretical concept which is behind the k-nearest neighbor classification model, and now we'll actually begin the machine learning model creation for KNN. So let's begin. So I have copied the entire logistic regression template into this new file which I have named as KNN classification. So the working directory is set to KNN neighbors. Now the dataset will also remain the same. As you can see, the dataset is exactly the same as which we have used in the previous logistic regression. So these steps will remain the same. Let's execute this quickly. So this entire steps till feature scaling will remain same. Yes, so that's the print statement which has got executed, but our entire statement has been properly executed, as you can see. First of all, let's execute this again. We are not able to see that because of those actions over there. Let's execute this. And yes, so once we have executed this, we have got our training set, our test set with respect to the feature scaling which has been applied. So now next part is fitting our model to the training set. So before that, let's change this to fitting KNN to the training set, and there will be a new class which goes by the name k neighbors classifier. So k neighbor classifier, and we'll actually use the same class over here. K neighbors classifier. Arguments will be different. Let's look at the arguments. So it will be n neighbors equal to, let's take the number of neighbors as 5. The metric is equal to Minkowski. This is required, and p is equal to 2. So if we can just press Ctrl I, we can actually see the details of all this, what is n neighbors and what is matrix and what is p. And in the next step, we'll actually just fit it to our training set, which is actually done. So we have not changed the library, it's neighbors. So yes, I think it's executed. I think it's properly done, and let's execute this. Yes, it's properly done. Now the next step involves prediction. So let's execute this. Yes, so if you can see, this is the y pred and this is your y test. So again we are saying some kind of mismatch, which will be the 9th value. So none of the machine learning model is 100% correct or 100% predicted correct. So there will be some kind of yes or no happening over there. And let's move on to the next step, which is the confusion matrix, which will actually let us know how many are the correct predictions. So yes, it is much better than the last model where we have got around 11 as incorrect predictions, but here we have only 7 as the incorrect predictions. So this is a much better model as compared to our last. Now the last step involves actually plotting this. So plotting your KNN training set and plotting your KNN test set. So let's execute this quickly. And as you can see the graph over here, so this is the graph which represents the KNN machine learning model. So this is not a straight line, it's actually a kind of line or a curve which has been happened over here, taking into account the training set results. So this is the area, this is the decision boundary which has been predicted, the red region where the person has not purchased a new car, and the green region where the person has purchased a new car. So let's look at our test set. So it will be one and the same, the regions, but has it learned properly? So yes, there will be few points here and there which has not been predicted properly, and that will count to around 7 as we has already seen in our confusion matrix. So yes, so this is a much better prediction as compared to our logistic regression. So this brings us to the end of our k nearest neighbors. So all the scripts and data sets will be available at our GitHub account. So hope you are enjoying this video series. Thank you very much. Bye bye.